So you might be in a situation where for some reason you're getting this type of pop-up where it's telling you that there's a 504 gateway timeout, or it's a bad gateway, or something like that. Now, there's a lot of reasons why something like this could end up happening. The number one reason why something like this could end up happening is because maybe your particular website that you're trying to load your page from isn't working, and you may just have to refresh it. So let's say this particular website was giving me bad data and it was just giving me this 504 bad gateway thing. Well, what I would want to do is I would want to refresh this page. So go through, refresh the page, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. For a lot of people, you might be surprised that could very well end up fixing the problem for you. So try doing that, and you want to see if that ends up doing it. Now, if you refresh your page and that's not working, another thing you may want to try doing is to go ahead and find your Wi-Fi router. So find the router that you have, and you want to basically restart that router. So whatever Wi-Fi router you have, all you want to do is go ahead and restart it, and that could very well end up fixing the problem for you as well. That's another thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about too. Now, on top of that, if that's still not working, another thing I'd recommend doing on top of those things is to actually go through and basically just see if that website you're going on is causing you issues. So what you can do here is you can just go through, basically refresh this page, kind of do what you can, but try seeing if that particular website you're going to, if that website is wrong. If you type in the website wrong, if it's not a right website, that can be another thing that can probably cause some issues too. If that's still not working, you can also try going through restarting your phone, but those are kind of the main ways to go and fix this problem for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.